Okay, so if you watched my last one about variance, you will know that I said standard deviation is very important. That's what you will need for part 3 of your project. So we're still working with the same problem. We want the sample standard deviation. So we've copied our numbers to Excel. I'm going to go to formulas, more function statistical, and I'm going to go down to standard deviation, this one here. You'll notice there's a couple here, and you probably noticed them on variance too, and I didn't take the time there to explain. There's two standard deviation formulas. There's sample standard deviation and population standard deviation. We are almost going to be exclusively working with sample standard deviation. So make sure you're not down here in the population one. So standard deviation, and we put in where our data is. So in this case, A1 through A6. Click OK. And right here is our sample standard deviation. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to put it in. What was it? It was 8 point, and it said round to the nearest tenth. So if we round here to the nearest tenth, that makes it 9.0 because I'm going to have to round up. Check answer, and that's our answer. Now, remember what I said. These should be related. So if I take the variance we got and I take the square root, and it's just square root of C1, you'll notice that's the same answer here, so you could have got it that way as well. And this one, you should be able to take C2 and square it, and we're back to variance. So just proving that these are related. Again, the formula for standard deviation is long, it's cumbersome, and it's very easy to make arithmetic mistakes. On a test, I'm going to ask you to do standard deviation. It would take you much longer to do this by hand, so learn how to do it in Excel so you can easily and quickly get the answer and move on.